Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing something really close to my heart, a creamy fruity twist on the classic Italian dessert. This is my no-bake mango tiramisu. Let's get started. In a bowl add 200 grams of mascarpone cheese, 1 teaspoon of mango essence, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Using a spatula mix it well. Now add 2/3 cup of whipping cream, beat using a beater. This mango tiramisu is refreshing, light, and a total crowd pleaser during the mango season. Honestly, once you try this version, it might become your favorite too. Add 2 teaspoons of mango pulp. I'm using ready-made sweetened Alfonso mango pulp. Add more 2 teaspoons of mango pulp. Add 2 tablespoons of mango pulp and continue beating until soft peaks form. In a bowl, add little mango pulp, add little water and mix. Now comes the fun part. Dip the ladyfinger biscuits in it and place them on the serving dish. Remember to remove immediately after dipping. Traditionally, tiramisu uses coffee, but here we are going tropical. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a like. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button for more cozy, delicious recipes straight from my kitchen. Don't forget to share this video with someone who loves mango as much as you do. If you are a mango lover like me, don't forget to check out my other mango treats. I've also shared a creamy mango cheesecake and a light airy mango mousse that's perfect for summer. If you are new here, I have lots of more easy and heartwarming recipes on my channel, from goan traditional dishes to refreshing drinks, snacks, desserts and bakes. There's something for everyone. Now spread a generous layer of cream. Spread little mango pulp on it. Each layer adds its own charm. Now add some pieces of chopped mango. Then again comes the layer of the ladyfinger biscuits. And again a generous amount of cream. Spread the cream evenly and smoothen it. Cover the serving dish with cling wrap and refrigerate for 4 hours. In a small saucepan, add 3/4 teaspoon of gelatin, little water, mix well, keep aside for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of mango pulp. Place the saucepan on medium flame, stir it continuously and let it dissolve. Once it cools, add it to the mango pulp. Mix well. Apply it on top of the cream. Place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I had kept a little of the cream mixture aside and now I am piping it. Here I am adding some chopped mango pieces. I also added one cherry. This mango tiramisu is refreshing, creamy and absolutely irresistible. No baking, no eggs, just layers of mango delight and light creaminess in every bite. I seriously can't get over how soft and fruity this mango tiramisu is. It just melts in your mouth. This mango tiramisu is everything. Creamy, light, fruity and pure comfort. Perfect for summer gatherings or just a sweet treat at home. See you in my next video. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Thanks for watching.